Just comb her hair. Period. The diva is here. Fresh na siya. Fresh na siya ulit kasi na-haggard siya sa... Hindi naman na siya na medyo na-haggard. Medyo na-haggard lang siya sa... Sa ano yun? Sa x-ray. Hello? Okay. Hello? Naririnig niyo ba ako? Where is the... Can you guys hear me? Thank you, Mark. So I'm just here chilling with myself. Fresh na ulit siya. Nagulo lang yung hair niya kasi dumaan siya sa x-ray. Yes, we can hear you. And it's her first international flight. So thank goodness, gumana yung passport niya. Oh my God, thank you. So I just got my passport from this agency. It's in my phone. It's a digital passport. It's in my phone right here. And I brought my straightener too, which is not a Dyson. I only use Dyson only, but this time I brought my hair straightener. And yeah, and my brush, and of course my shades. Oh my God. Okay. She's now wearing her shade. Wait a minute. I am gonna wear it too. Okay. So we're just divaing here. Napaka-aga ko. Ah! Mamaya na yan. So, ito, mag-blower lang ako ng hair real quick. Hindi siya Dyson, but okay lang. Pagbigyan na natin. Ew. Ew. Comment down below kung ano to. What is this one? Is this for the hair? Is this for the hand? I don't know what is this for. Ano siya, chain? Is this for the necklace? Beltiana? Paano pupugutin natin yung ano? Waist. Belt ata. So, dead man na lang. Dead man na lang po. So, this is her outfit. She's wearing an outer wear because malamig sa UK and kailangan niya yan. And Sa loob, she is wearing a top. Oh, nakakabit pala. Oh my god, yes, body Kantiana. Skinty. Get that sexy body. She has a collar with a pearl on it. No, that's not a pearl. It's a button. So, I am wearing a short also. And a stockings from Gucci. This short is from Alexander McQueen. This top is from Jacquemus. This outerwear is from Burberry, but not a Burberry fit. So the shades is from Balenciaga. The shoes is from Naked Wolf. And oh, this is not a stock. This is like a biker short type of thing. It's from IMG. So if you guys want my gusto nyo din ba mag-outfit check ako? Kukunin ko lang yung nalaglag. Wala yung phone. Ayun. Found her. So wait lang, may ka-text lang ako. Period. Baka naka-live din siya. Hi guys, I'm live right now. Feeling ko makakagawa ako ng lashes dito. So this is my outfit. Let me show it to you. So it has like Balenciaga shoes. This is from Neo Guru's merch. So yeah, it's getting cold in here sa Starbucks. So okay lang din. And feeling ko makakagawa ako ng lashes here. I just need to find a charge. I'm not yet in the UK. I'm still here in the Philippines. Sana maka-podcast ka with the KV. Oh my God! Actually, let me bring it up to her. Okay. I think I'm gonna make my Marina lashes. So I brought some lashes equipment. Wait, let me check lang kung may... Walang socket here. So I'm gonna search a socket first. Then I'm gonna make lashes for Marina. Inutusan niya ako gumawa ko ng lashes. Dahil wala dito siyang lashes. Go. When are you flying to UK? Later. I'm at the airport right now. I just finished checking in and the immigration. So yeah. Bakit? Anong ginawa ni Kuya sa likod? Yung claustrophobia ko ma. Yes, my dear. So my flight is 6:30. And parang 2 hours and 30 minutes pa ako maghihintay. So kaya ko pang gumawa ng lashes. So see you later. Gawa lang akong lashes.